So we broke the window in the back of the truck. Or I should say, I broke the window in the back of the truck.
Broke the window.
So we went to go pick something up with the truck and figured, we'll tie it to the back. And I'm like, nah, don't tie it, it won't move. And it slid forward and smashed into the back of the window. Sounded like a bomb went off in there. So we just finished cleaning everything out. Can't find a window anywhere. The freaking crazy money they want for them. So what I did was we cut a piece of Lexan that we had. That's probably, turn that around. I've had that piece probably, that was before.
This is the good stuff.
Oh yeah, well that's real, what do you call it? Polycarbonate, that's Lexan, I mean, Mar glass it's called. But that I had that. That was the first windshield and stuff that I did on the car. Way back, like 20 something years ago. How old are you? 21?
Yeah.
21. Alright, so 22, 23 years ago. So I had that piece left over. So we just cut that. We're going to slide it in here. Till we figure out how we're going to get another one. I'm looking online, find a couple places. Let's see if we can find one.
Alright. Give it go. Hey, go on the inside with a screwdriver and just push it open.
Yeah, what do you mean? No.
So I'm trying to. So we got it in the bottom piece first.
You gotta do it with
And then we're gonna need some tint. It's gonna look weird. Just don't break nothing.
Scratch it. You ain't scratching the glass.
Brute force. No.
I don't scratch.
Why not? Really? I mean, you gotta go like.
I'm gonna keep touching.
Not like that other crap.
Yeah, that other stuff you look at it wrong and it breaks.
The rubber's good. Now we gotta slide it in.
Get some more of the soap. Use the soap. We'll get it a little farther. Alright, hang on.
You got a precision fit. Look at that. Ain't even gotta glue it in.
Come on, go.
Ready?
Yeah. Alright, hang on. Little more. Alright, that's it.
That's it.
Perfect. Look at that.
Right. Like new glass. Who needs a new one? I ain't buying no $400 window. That's staying just like that.
You mean I told you not to buy a $400 window? You already looking at it.
You're right. I'm not gonna.
Like stock. If I put Lexan,
$400 a new camshaft. Never mind this. Yeah. Come on, let's go.
Here, get some tint. Oh, look
Nothing. Ain't doing nothing.
I'm just saying, you get some tint, it'll look just like that, just like new. All right, now let's clean it off.
Get a VXM sticker, put it in there, and you won't even notice it's on there.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
All right.
I got the one for the back.
Yep. All right, let's go.
We're off. All right.